time?
Here it goes.
You have to keep every single
Negatory.
Fetch that dead bird. Bam, fetch him up.
The ice is a little bit thicker out there.
Yeah.
Took her right in the hip.
They done it dirty, Adam.
Mm-hmm.
Kill him.
There's
Two of them dying and three of them
we
dying.
got all of them going down.
They all got hit.
She's still in the water there. There's a tree underwater.
Huh?
There's a tree under the water that got.
Trip. Oh, I thought you fell in a
Yeah,
hole.
I'm soaked.
I seen you over there. I was like, I thought I was trying not to fall back. Tell was like, I think there's a big old draw dig out in there. And when I seen you go down, I thought, oh shit, he just hit it. Chill out on the beach. No one's in the blind with us. Well, just because I don't know why I went in the other part, I fell over the paper. Right. Going out. no trail, Heath.
Oh, you didn't go far enough.
Man did.
Whatever. I can guarantee you one thing, if he is banded, I didn't. Oh shit, right here.
Well, you got me for a second, but there's only so much. I mean, this ain't a very fast 40 going here.
You ready? You ready?
Sam, kill him. Kill him, Sam. Nice shot. Levi, did you shoot?
Nope.
Who all shot?
I didn't shoot, just Sam.
Good job, Sam.
That was all you, bud.
You just yacked a youngin', Heath.
After
Give him another shot. But oh shit, right behind you. Oh God! Oh. All right.
put the video camera on.
I'll let y'all know when we're even now.
Oh yeah. Did they do that to you?
Yep.
Oh, dirty dog.
Yeah.
I'm not laughing at you, Levi.
I dang sure.
You just well.
Gloves are off now.
They've been off.
Oh, they're off now.
Kill him. You noticed my gun went off, right?
Yeah. Cool. Oh, dog.
Yeah, first
First thing I did when I got back from blind was check to see if I had any ammo. I slipped them back in there.
I don't know. I told Sam, I was like, man, that's
Oh yeah. And the next time I sat down, my chair wasn't there. I found it. I've seen it happen.
yeah. That looks like goose is moving, dude. This is zombie goose. yeah. Yeah. He's having nightmares. Oh shoot! Oh.
Weight on the wrist.
I'd kill him there. Kill him. Yeah, when there's blood on the decoys, you know you did something right. Yeah, they're big old blood spots all over here.
Oh, here.
See that? That fit nicely. Adam's feelings matter.
One more.
No, I'm just getting a little bit. That's all. Just look at it.
Well, we're driving out and had a good one. So I hope you liked it, and please remember to subscribe. Appreciate your support, and we'll see you on the next one.